Guys, today I booked 33%, 33.26% in 79 days return in one of the government Navaratna company, which is NBCC. So I'll try to explain my thought process and why I bought and why I waited and why I exited today. So before that, let just quickly go through. This NBCC is a government of India's company. I'll show you why it is government of India, based on the the promoter holding. So it's part of the Ministry of Ayush. You can see the same details here also in the screener dot in. Okay, so the first thing, whenever there's a good fall, if you see. Okay, this is something which triggers me a lot, right? Initially, it fell down 29% and it fell down around 38%, which is a big fall. Why 38% is a big fall? Okay, and which why it is a very good opportunity. Okay, if we refer the screener dot in, if you see this stock price CAGR, which is one of the key information for me to pick the stock since last 10 years, 5 years, 3 years, and recent 1 year, this is really good. Like it's more than 20%. So every year it has given 23% since last 10 years. So that is what the CAGR tells here. So whenever the stock is giving such a good CAGR and there is a good correction due to whatever reason, okay, due to heavy selling or due to news, whatever reason, okay, if company is good, if company is government company and it has fallen significantly like 30 40%, so we should look for a good buying opportunities. Okay, this is what I feel. So make sure you consult your financial advisor or you cross check with the one whom you get kind of good information. This is what I follow, I'm telling you. Okay, this is not a recommendation. So it's a purely educational video, and this is not a futuristic. This is what happened today. I booked profit today, so I'm sharing what happened in last 79 days with this NBCC stock. Okay, so after this fall, I bought it at this because if you see historically, like here, this range, like it went up. So even I could have waited till here. What I thought, if it had fallen little bit further, then I was ready to buy at this good level. So I did buying at this level because it was showing some bounce back indications. So I entered here. Okay, so and then I waited for 79 days and then I exited today. See, I exited today because of my personal reason. I wanted the money, not for some exit condition. Generally, where I exit is, so let me show you that. So what happens, right? So RSI goes above 70 or 75 some. So I'll be looking for that area to exit. If you see historically, it went up. If you see here in the month of I think Jan, Feb, okay, the same year, it went up like it almost close to 90. So this was a good exit if you had taken somewhere here. So this is one of the good condition I look to exit. So, but still I could have waited to some more profit. Definitely, what I think there's a good chance it may go up somewhere here and then it may fall. But I wanted money for some other trade, so I exited today. So that's the thought process. So yeah, if you like give a thumbs up, and if you feel if I'm missing something, please do comment and do share with interested people. Thank you for watching.